Hi everyone and welcome to NameHero.com. If you're not already aware, we've added the instant domain search to our main site at NameHero.com and on our domain registration page. Now we're in beta. We've been slowly rolling this out since about January. So the reason why we want to do this is because there's so many different TLDs out there nowadays. This makes it very easy to find the name that you want. Especially as we're heading into election season, we're seeing a lot of candidates that are using these on billboards and other forms of mass media, such as television commercials. It makes it easier for people to remember the name. So to get started, basically you just type in your keyword here. So for example, we could just type in election 2016 for the heck of it. And as you can see, it's the .com is taken, and you find that in many different cases. But you can scroll down and you can see there's some other options such as .mobi, .biz, .io, .tv, .pro. This way you're able to find the name that you're looking for or find a name close to what you're looking for. And again, it's just so good for the many different channels. We've went ahead and organized things into some tabs here, and you're probably going to see some improvements in this as well over the next couple weeks as we conclude our testing on this. But again, this is just really good if you're wanting to add a unique email address or again something for a particular campaign that's maybe on a billboard or on a television ad or even just on a banner ad. That's what these extra TLDs just really work really well for. We tried to list as many of them as we could. Basically what we did is we took our research from January until now and picked the most popular ones that's the most popular amongst our customers and have added them to our database here in this table. Now if there's any of them that you don't see that you would like, make sure that you reach out to us. You can just simply click the help button there and contact us, or you can just reach out at contact@namehero.com and let us know. Say, hey, I like to register such and such TLD. I don't see it on your main page. Could you put it there? And we're also going to be adding, again, like I said, some more tabs. Now, the cool thing about us at NameHero.com is we keep our cost very low on domains because we offer an a la carte solution. Meaning if you're just registering the name as an investment, well, you just pay for the name, and that's all that you need. Now, if you want to add other things such as ID protection or DNS management or email forwarding, you can do that right here. And you can see I've done just a couple tests here. So if you wanted to add the ID protection, which just masks the whois information, you could do this right here. If you wanted to add, say, email forwarding, you could do that, and as well as DNS management if you wanted to actually use that domain as a live site. Of course, you can also add hosting to any domain just by clicking the add button and then selecting the appropriate package for that domain name. But this is also on our domain registration page. And this is a test name. And you can see you can also enter the TLD here if you would like. If you want to enter just .net even, you can do that. So this is just a faster way to get your domain results back to you, and to be able to see what's open, what's not, and how quickly can you register it, and just a much simpler way of searching and finding your exact name. Without any of the hassle of selecting a drop-down box or anything like that. We're also proud to announce that this is completely mobile responsive. So if you're like me and sit up in bed in the evenings and have your smartphone and sit there and check names, well, I have a bad habit of doing that every night and picking up 5 or 6 domains. So if you like to do that, then definitely we would love to have your business, and we've made that accessible for you. So if you have any questions on this, or if you have any suggestions or comments, feel free to let us know on the blog or shoot us an email. We'd be more than happy to hear from you. I want to let everyone know that we're going to be having some very big specials here soon to announce the launch of this instant search. So make sure you stay tuned to the NameHero.com website, and especially the blog tab. If you just click there, the blog right there, then you'll be able to stay up to date when our next sale is, and you can save you a lot of money. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. We look forward to serving all your domain name registration needs.